Hi there, thank you for joining us and starting your 7-day trial. My name is 𝗹𝗲𝘃𝗲𝗃. I am the Chief Options Expert at TanukiTrade. The very first and most important step is accessing the TanukiTrade member area. You can find it in the top right corner of our website. To log in, you have to use your email address and TradingView username that you supplied during the Stripe registration process. For security reasons, we do not store passwords. You will get a 6-digit login code sent to your email address after you click on Sign In button. You may expect an email like this from us, and here you can supply the 6-digit code to the login page and verify. Once you are logged in, you will see your email address and TradingView username that you used during the registration process. And here with this Manage Subscription button, you can use Stripe to manage your subscription anytime you want. After you are set and logged into your member area, the most important thing is to connect your Discord account, because otherwise you will not be able to access the services. Once you are connected, this Connect Discord button will turn green and you can access all the applications and Discord channels. So click on the Connect Discord button and it will show you that TanukiTrade Access Bot will access your Discord account, and you click on Authorize. After your Discord account is verified, you will see a green Discord button here. Discord is connected and you are good to go. You can open up Discord in another browser or in the client itself. And here you will see all the important chats and channels that you can use during your TanukiTrade trial and subscription. After your Discord is connected and verified, you can go ahead and use our web applications such as the GEX Live, the GEX Matrix, and the Option Screener. We will create separate videos and separate topics about these applications in and of itself. It's just a quick introduction how you can access the product and connect your Discord account. If you have any technical questions, please contact us in tech support. If you are pretty new to GEX and GEX profiles and the rest, please go ahead and click on educational stuff. You will see very important, very useful documentation and articles in here. And if you have any questions related to applications or modules or indicators, go ahead to Newbies and Basics and contact us there. Once again, thank you very much for joining TanukiTrade. If you have any questions during your trial or after that, please feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and check out our other videos. You can always find us at the links in the description. Trade safe out there.